Welcome to our state-of-the-art Bosch Rexroth Industrial Hydraulics Training Center in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, where you can advance your skills with industry-recognized courses. From fundamentals to advanced hydraulics, our courses combine expert instruction with hands-on practice. Start with foundational courses that build confidence, safety, and core hydraulics knowledge.
In my job working with production and engineering, I like to be able to speak intelligently to what we're doing and why we're doing what we're doing. And I think this class is a good start for me to be able to help support production moving forward.
Learn proven methods to reduce downtime, improve troubleshooting, and standardize best practices across your team.
We go through the discussions, the theory in the classroom, and then we'll take a break and we'll go out and we'll actually prove or disprove that theory on the hydraulic training stands.
It's not easy to understand how it works just using the schematic or drawings. You gotta see it in person.
Being able to work on new parts, being able to work on parts that are clean and not covered in grease and oil, and you don't have to climb down in some dirty hole to go find them. Makes it a lot easier to kind of get your head around what you're looking at, how things work, how they're supposed to work, and give you some better ideas on troubleshooting skills and techniques.
Practice on dedicated training stands that simulate real operating conditions. Everything that they do here is with the hands-on practices applied directly to their equipment in the field. Classroom concepts are reinforced through guided exercises, diagnostics, and safety-focused practices.
Everything is set up so that you can't break it and you can't get hurt. So that's definitely appreciated from someone that doesn't know a whole lot about hydraulics yet.
It really helps, especially when you have everything you can see like laying on the table and you can touch it and see how that actually works. That's what I need.
Our team brings decades of field experience and the latest technology so your training stays aligned with industry standards.
Hands-on experience is, irreplaceable, and being able to troubleshoot things at your own pace and learn the details of it all is very beneficial.
This is one of the best training classes that I've ever attended.
Ready to take the next step? Explore courses and schedule training today.